this lecture, we are going to see sign conventions for work and heat. To understand these sign conventions, let us take an example. I am considering a reaction that is decomposition of H2O2. The physical state of H2O2 is liquid and the reaction is 2H2O liquid plus O2 gas. Now, if I enclose H2O2 in the cylinder, what is getting formed is oxygen. Now, if I see the cylinder here, it is attached to the piston. When the reaction takes place, during the reaction, oxygen gas is getting formed. And you know that as being lighter, it will try to rise in the cylinder. Now, the pressure which is acting here is P onto this gas. Now, what will happen as the oxygen gas is getting formed, it will push the piston up. Now, if I see the concept of system and surrounding, this is your system and this is your surrounding here. Surrounding is everywhere here, but we are now focusing only on this part. Now, what will happen? The surrounding is pushing the piston down, but as there being gas, it is lighter. What it will do is, it will try to rise up and in doing so, it will push the piston upwards. Means what system is doing? System is trying to oppose the force which is applied from the surrounding side. And in doing so, the system here is losing its energy. And this, what we call this process as the expansion process. So during expansion, what happens is, as the gas is pushing the piston up, the work is done against the applied pressure. And therefore, work obtained during the expansion process is always negative. Now, who is doing the work? The one who is losing its energy is doing the work. So, during expansion, the system is doing the work on the surrounding. So, the work is done by the system on the surrounding. In pushing the piston, it is releasing or losing its energy. So, always remember, when the physical state changes from solid to liquid to gas, the process what will follow is always an expansion process, and in that case, W will be negative. Now, let us take the second example. So, the example is NH3 gas plus HCl gas becoming ammonium chloride solid. Now, what is happening here, student? The physical state is changing from gas to solid. Means the initial piston position was like this, because being the physical state gas, if this is the condition and the applied pressure is this, then what is happening? As the gases, they are getting solidified, the condition will be like this. Now, what is happening here? Now, the system is not doing the work. Instead, the pressure is applied in this direction and the gas is getting compressed. But now, the system is not losing energy, but it is gaining energy. Who is losing energy now is surrounding who is losing energy, because surrounding is doing the work. Right, students? So, what is this process called as? This process is called as compression. And the sign convention for W is always positive, because the work which is done is in the same direction as to that of the applied pressure. While in the previous concept, the work done was against the applied pressure. So, it was negative. This is in the direction of the applied pressure. So, this is positive. Now, who is doing the work here is surrounding. Means the work is done by the surrounding on the system. Right, students? So, those are the examples what will help you to know the sign conventions. Means what? If the physical state changes from gas to liquid to solid, what happens to the gas? The gas gets compressed, and therefore the work what we call is work due to compression, and the sign convention will be positive for the compression work. And here we say that the work is done by the surrounding on the system. Let us see the sign conventions for heat now. So let us see for heat now. Now if I say that this is a system where the reaction is carried out, and if the system releases energy, then Q here will be negative. But if the system absorbs energy, it is necessary, students, for any system either to release energy, what we call it as an exothermic reaction, or it must absorb the energy, what we call it as endothermic. So if the system releases, we write the sign convention for Q as negative, and if it absorbs, then it will be plus Q. So let us see now in all how the sign conventions they are written. For that, in short, I am considering the system, any system where the particular reaction is carried out. So if I call this as the system, the rest of the part here is the surrounding. Then how I will proceed for this? If the work is done by the surrounding on the system, if the work is done by the surrounding on the system, then it is work due to compression, and here W will be positive. If the work is done by the system on the surrounding, then it is work due to expansion, and W will be negative. Let us come to heat now. If the system releases energy to the surrounding, then it is called, if the heat is released, then it will be minus Q. And if it is absorbed, then it will be plus Q. Now very important, if I say it is work due to expansion, so in expansion, can I say V2 is greater than V1? Means delta V is positive. So when delta V is positive, W will be negative, just opposite to that. And the work is called as work due to expansion. Similarly, in compression process, V1 is greater than V2, means delta V will be negative. When delta V is negative, means W is positive, and work is due to compression. Students, when we say that V2 is equal to V1, means the system is at equilibrium, then in that case, delta V is equal to 0, means there is no work done during the process, because the initial and the final volume remains same. So this condition where we say that no work is done. So in expansion, delta V must be positive, W must be negative. In compression, delta V must be negative and W must be positive. So this is all about the sign conventions for W and Q. Thank you, students.